Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Project title is SentiHealth-Cancer, a sentiment analysis tool to help detecting mood of patients in online social networks. Next, we are going to discuss about our abstract. All data collected from the online social network were published by the user as a public text in a public group. A Java application was developed to connect with the social network's API and collect votes of selected groups. The online social network selected by as source of text was the Facebook because it contains user groups in the theme of this work, and also because it is one of the most currently used online social network by both cancer patients and by their families. A new method for essay called SentiHealth was developed considering the author of the posts as the target of the analysis. SentiHealth method and compared to other tools for that the options of three authors of the study were used to label manually the posts as positive, negative or neutral. Now we are going to discuss about our flow diagram. First of all, we have to load our message. After that, we have to pre-processing our load messages. Pre-process means we have to remove our stop words. After that, separate message into two groups. Here we have to group two groups. One is group A and another one is group 2. The next process is load that dictionary. Here we have to load our dictionary for compared to our two groups. Next process is find sentimental words. Here we have to find our sentimental words, and that next we have to classify our positive words and negative words. After completion of classifying positive words and negative words, next process is we have to calculate our false positive report. Here we have to calculate our report for the false positive or true negative, like that. And next process is view negative thoughts of message. Here we have to show our negative thoughts of message. Now we are going to run our project. Just to go to NetBeans and give right click and run file. SentiHealth-Cancer is sentiment analysis tool to help detecting mood of patients in online social network. This is title of our project. Click go button. Review collection. Here we have to receive our data. First we click select, and here we have select this file, open. The file can be opened. Next we click view button. Now we have to view our file. And next data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is nothing but a process. Here we have to pre-process our data. Here we have to neglect our unwanted things. First we are going to load our stop words. Select this text file, open. Now our stop words loaded, completed. The next pre-process, data pre-process complete. Now we got a good data for entire process. The next we are going to separate our groups like group A and group B. Now we have to see our two groups. The next process is emotions and hashtag. Here we have to load our emotions and convert our emotions into message. Okay, now the data will be transferred into normal message. Then we have to find our hashtags, and this work is group A. The same for the purpose group B, and find hashtags. Okay, the next process is here only we have to load our dictionary. The first we have to load our dictionary. Here we take some time. Okay, here we have to load our words from the dictionary. Now we have to compare our groups. First I compare group A. Now it takes some time because each and every words compare. After that we have to get original information. Okay, like this. Lot of amounts, lot of words are there. Just we have to wait for that output. Okay, this is our group A output. Okay, the next we are going to load our dictionary when compared to group B. These also take some time because each and every word should be compared from the load dictionary. This is easy to predict our words, easy to find our analysis, sentiment analysis. It should be proper way. A few minutes, the group B output will begin. Now we have to show our B results. After that, classify our reviews. First of all, I classify the group A reviews. After that, group B reviews. First, I classify group A. Okay, we have to see our results. The next, group B classification and view our results. And next process overall graph report. The first is group A result and second one is group B result. The next we are going to find out our precision, recall, FI measure and accuracy. The first we are going to calculate group A. After that we are calculating group B. Okay, this is precision value, after that recall value, FI measure value and accuracy. Group A should be find it clearly. After that, group B, all items will be calculated successfully. Thank you.